Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create shake effect, aggressive shake effect in Capcut PC. Okay, you don't need to use your phone, your iPad, whatever device you have in order to create this effect. You just need a computer, a laptop, and that's this tutorial dedicated for those people. So make sure you watch this video, and now let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So I love Capcut because you can also now use your laptop instead of using your phone. Sometimes I can't use my phone, maybe I need to charge, maybe I just don't want to use my phone, but you know, you have the option to use your computer. So in fact you can use shake effect in Capcut. So what you have to do, click on effects from affectionash. That's, I just made up a word. Okay, so now open and closing, and here we have nothing, but here in nightclub now we have shake. This used to be located because I really kept an eye on it. Okay, because usually I like to go to account and help, and here in about you can see your version of that you're using Capcut. And also I like to update the app on my iPad every single time because I want to see what are the changes, and here that's the new change. Now you can find the shake effect in nightclub. Okay, grab this effect, drag it onto the timeline, and now as you can see we have this effect. Now to create this aggressive shake effect, make sure you string the video, make sure you select the video. What I like to do is to go to video, add position and size keyframes, and then add here in a keyframe. You can see here we have a keyframe, and now move the cursor right at the end of the video and add a new keyframe. Okay, and now on this keyframe make sure you zoom in, so we can just create a zoom in. So like sometimes I like to add like a zoom out, you know. Now at the beginning of this video, what I like to do, a lot of tutorials are showing you another way, but I like to do this way. I'm just showing you what I tried and what I like to do. Okay, so now increase the strength, we don't want any update here, and increase the speed to around, I think it's 35, and here it's 30, it's no 65 I think. Yes, perfect. So now we have the shake effect, and then zoom out, shake, zoom out, shake, zoom out, but opacity, drag it all the way to 51, I think. Yes, 51. That's the perfect. Okay, make it now 100, and now you should have this effect. Okay, and now the next effect, make sure you go to slanted blur, you see, slanted blur. Grab it with your heart and drag it in the timeline. Okay, put it here. I don't know why I'm talking like this. And now we have zoom. Now you know what you have to do after you have this the shake. We need to make it zoom. Okay, zoom, and then zoom, and then slanted blur. Okay, so make sure it's like starting here with the slanted blur. I think you have to put it at the end of the shake, and then you select the video and you go to animation in, and then here you have to look for swing top right 1 second, sorry, and we have bump. You can increase in bump, you know, it's kind of like bump. All right, perfect guys, perfect. Now select the video, go to animation, out, and now just add a fade out, fade in, just 3 seconds, 1 second, Okay, but you can make this even shorter, so if you have more videos to add to your video, okay? We just have to play with settings. Because now when you add this, you know, you can add more videos, because this tutorial is not complete, guys, because you have to have more videos. Obviously, this is just one video. Okay, the tutorial is already 5 minutes, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you learned something. I love Capcut, so I hope you love Capcut and you learned something. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you, and take care.